Srivastava teaching you Maths App Class 9th NCERT Chapter 14 Statistics. In previous two lectures I have explained the exercise 14.2 question number 4. Previous lecture I have given you for the joint class interval from disjoint. How will you make the for joint class interval from disjoint? It is 10 to 18, 20 to 28, 30 to 38 it is given. So it is not the width of the or size is 18 minus 10 plus 1. 18 minus 10, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 is the width. 10 and 18 both are included. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 plus 3 plus 3, here 9. 1 will be added. Previously I have told you difference, half of the difference, that is not. Here only direct 1 will be added in the disjoint. How upper limit is 18, how will you make it in the joint? 10 to 18, upper limit is 18, 20 to 28 in the lower limit is 20. Upper limit and lower limit difference you will take, it is 2 and half of the difference is 1. So for making 10 to 18 and 20 to 28 as a joint, so you will in lower limit difference will be subtracted, upper limit difference will be added. Lower limit, all the lower limits 1 subtract, all the upper limit 1 add. So 10 minus 1 9 and 18 plus 1 19. 9 to 19 and you can check whether this size is also changed. 19. 20 to 28, 20 minus 1, 28 plus 1. So 19 to 29, 29 to 39. It is a joint class interval. Now rest part of the exercise 14.2 question number 5. We will see from the book. Question number 5 is given in the book. What is the question number 5? A study was concluded to find out the concentration of the sulfur dioxide in air in part per million ppm of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is the following given. This make the group frequency distribution in which the class size is 0.00 to 004.04 and so on. So here difference is 0.04. So 0.8 like this. First of all you find out what is the minimum value. For how many days was the concentration of the sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 part per million ppm. So that we will do. First of all you find out the minimum. Minimum is 0.22, minimum is 0.01 and maximum is 0.22. It means more than 22 you want to get, that I have here. 0.00 you start and finish at 0.24. 4 you add in all. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 20, 20 plus 4 24. Then you will put the tally mark according to the previous questions I have told. You will read the one by one question, one by one value. What is the values given? This and according to this you will put the tally mark. And you are getting your solution 499242. So 0.11. 0.12 is not included, it is joint. So 0.11 or more, that is this. These three class interval 2 plus 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. 8 are here, which is from this and this. The number of 8 days are there whose humidity is concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.1. Now question number 6. In the question number 6 what will you see? Question number 6 is given. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down. 0, no head, 1 head, 3 head, 1 head, 2 head, like this it is given. So prepare the frequency distribution table for the data given above. You want to prepare the frequency distribution table. So in this case question number 6, what will you do? Number of head 0, 1, 2, 3. No class interval is there directly. And then you will read here 0, 1, 3. So put the tally marks 0, 1, 3 like this. 1, 1 tally marks I have told you in the previous questions. So already I have solved. So 6 is the 0, 6 times no head, 10 times 1 head, 9 times 2 head, 5 times 3 head. It is your solution of question number 6. Question number 7 is given. It is a pie chart. Value of pi is given 3 point up to 50 decimal places. You can write in the far places 1, 4, 2, 5 like this. You can make like this. If you want, you can make like this all the 50 digits. 10 digits you write in one line, again 10 digits, again 5 lines you can make from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 5 you write like some space you give. Again next line you start again like this. Otherwise directly you can take from here. From 1 to 9, make the frequency distribution table from 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means you will make the 9 lines here, digits in one column, tally mark another column, frequency 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How will you get? So how will you find out here 0? Suppose you are seeing here, first number is given 141. 141 I am taking the tally mark you are putting. Here is 141 like this. 141, then 592. 592, 592. After this what is given? 592, then 592. After this 653, 653. Till here I have taken 653. 653. 653 you are getting. And then 589, 589, 589. And after this what are you getting? 793, 793, 793. And then again you will see here like this, one by one you will take. One numbers you will take from here and put the tally marks. So like this all you will get 2 times 0 you will get, 5 times you will get this, and the 5 times you will get all the numbers you count, you will get the 5 times this also, 8 times 8 you will get, 3 you will get 8 times, okay. All the numbers you like this you will write, and it is easy till the last. Till the last you can get this. You are seeing it is your table. Frequency distribution table you can make from this. Easily you can make 2, 5, 5, 8, 4, 5, 6 how many? 4 times, 7 4 times, 8 5 times, and 9 also 8 times. Total 50 times it is digits given. You can write these like this also. Next one is given question number 8 you can do, and question number 9 also you can do like this. Question number 9 you make the table, and question number 8 you can make the table. In 8 also you can do the same thing, number of 15 or more than only 2 hours, and question number 9 also you can fill.